what I should do. And
want to add a touch of romance to your house this Valentine's Day without breaking the bank? Look no further, because I have got 3 affordable and simple DIYs you don't want to miss. They are sure to enhance your Valentine's Day decor this year and just add a little bit of extra fun. So stay tuned.
I miss you so bad.
For our first DIY, we are going to be channeling our inner Cupid as we create our very own Valentine's Day tree. As I got started on this project, I realized that having the right vase was going to be absolutely crucial. This is a vase that my family and I made together in a previous video where we used our fingers and some enamel paint to create these cute little hearts in the front, and I think it is going to be absolutely perfect for this project. If you guys want to know how I made the vase and you guys are interested in more details, I will have that video linked down in the description, but let's talk about the tree. So I found these adorable little pink trees at Dollar Tree, and I did go ahead and pick up 2 of them so that we could combine them together to make a fuller tree. And I'm just going to fluff these out, put them together, and use some 20 gauge wire to intertwine them at the top and bottom of the tree.
Much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
In case you're new today, I want to take a second to introduce myself. My name is Jackie, and this is my channel, My Magical Home, a place where you can find all kinds of creative homemaking ideas. My goal is to make the mundane magical, whether or not we're cleaning, cooking, having a family movie night, going on an adventure, or getting ready for the holidays. So I hope that you will consider joining my YouTube family and hitting that button down below. And let's go ahead and get back to the fun.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you, thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late, now it's too late, I'm out of time.
So I'm on a level when it came to stabilizing this tree. I went ghetto. I ended up using some dish towels and a bag full of pinto beans that I had just randomly sitting around for craft projects. And that helped to make sure that my tree stayed exactly how I wanted it inside the vase.
Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door.
I am loving how cute and fluffy the tree is turning out, but I wanted to elevate it a little bit more, so I decided to bring out some battery-operated copper-wired fairy lights and just kind of twine them all around the tree, and I feel like it added such a cool effect. So our Valentine's Day tree is fluffed and wired, and now it is time to add the decorations. And I am so excited to say that I actually had all of the items to do this craft on hand already from previous projects and from Valentine's Day in the past. But I felt like they really came together and really brought the tree to life. So let me take you through and show you the process. All the supplies used to make these ornaments were picked up from Dollar Tree in the years past. And they were just extra things that I had on hand. And to start out, I have these glittery open heart floral picks, and we are just going to take the leftover stick that's on them out. And then I'm going to be bringing in this pink glittery scatter and using my hot glue gun to just kind of rest it right on top of the heart. Not inside, but just right on top. It was like the perfect size. And that created this cute little puffy 3D ornament. Then I went ahead and brought in some pink twine, cut it into a small loop, and used the hot glue gun to add it to the top so that I could hang them on the tree. I was thrilled with how these turned out, considering they were all basically done from random stuff that I had and wasn't using.
Everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Well, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss.
As I started adding all of the ornaments, I decided that I wanted to have something up at the top of the tree as well. So I took another floral pick that I had, but this one was a full heart, and I removed the stick from it and hot glued it to the top. And I feel like it looks perfect. I can't wait to hear what you guys think.
Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you missed. Baby, it took just one kiss.
So I am really into the yarn heart decoration look, and I've actually made a couple different things with you guys in the past with that vibe, and I really wanted to continue it this year and add some more. So I headed down to Dollar Tree, and you guys, I found the perfect things to remake and just continue this whole look, and I am so excited to show you how they turned out. So stay tuned.
We were young and drunk in love.
So this is the original product that I picked up from Dollar Tree. It is 3 open hearts that are linked together so that you can hang it on your door like a wreath or put it on your wall. I'm going to start out by unlinking the hearts, and then I'm going to take off this tinsel-like metallic garland that is all over these hearts. I totally respect that some people dig this look. I don't have a problem with it, but my little monster cats, I love them so much, but they will eat this, and it is super not good for them, and so I prefer to not have it in the house. So once this is all taken apart, I'm going to be bringing in this soft, fluffy yarn that we are going to give them a little bit of a makeover with. I want to take a second to show you the frame of these, because you can actually see where these like little pegs go all the way around the frame. And if you are using a thick, like fluffy yarn like I am using, or a tinsel garland like was used originally, you can just go ahead and weave your project around these to at least get started. But if you are using a thin thread, like a normal yarn or an embroidery thread, you absolutely have to cut these little pegs off because it will ruin your project. It does make it a little harder with sliding, but if you have a hot glue gun to help like secure a couple of your different strings in different places, you'll be just fine. But just wanted to give you that heads up. If you are using a thin yarn, you want to get rid of those. In order to keep our yarn on the frame and not have it actually come unraveling on us, we're going to use a little bit of hot glue to secure it, and then I'm going to loop the yarn a couple times through the frame so that it just has that extra stability. After that, I kind of come in and weave back and forth through these pegs all the way around the heart, and then I am going to come back in and just kind of circle again and again all the way around the heart so that I have a nice full look, and I'm so excited with how this turned out.
And this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. Makes me
completed the open heart, it is time to show you how to do the full heart like you can see in the background. You basically start exactly the same, but then once you've done that first run all the way around, instead of going through the inside and circling it that way, we are just going to circle the entire frame itself. And I'm basically going to go every single direction until I feel like it is nice and fluffy and full as I'd like it. You will notice that I use my hot glue gun all over this, basically to just secure little spots along the frame. Because if you're just doing this normally and using the little pegs, your yarn is going to kind of slide to one side of the peg or the other, and you're going to have like kind of lumpy little parts. It's just not going to give the look that you want. So by adding a little bit of hot glue every once in a while, you can help to make sure that there's no part of the frame showing and that everything has that perfect look that you're trying to achieve.
You are the one I choose. I wanna go on with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest of my life. I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you.
All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. We are on to the last project. So this is my dollar store Valentine's Day frame. Got this a couple years ago. Together, we actually added this little white heart and changed out the picture that was in there. But this year, I just felt like it wasn't enough. So we are going to give it a stained glass transformation. Yes, I am inspired by the craft that we did at Christmas. I just loved it so much. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to do something like that again and just add a little bit of extra flair. And if you feel like you'd like to make this creation at home, link down in the description, I have a free printable so you can make your own. So this craft is next level easy. You can use normal paper, but because I love that lantern effect, I decided to use the printable vinyl yet again. And you just go ahead and print it out, and they come with this very transparent white tissue paper. And if you sandwich that behind your clear image, it gives the most beautiful stained glass effect. And so I decided to use that, just cut it out. And then I took the two pieces of vinyl that helped to hold in your picture on the frame and sandwiched it in between those two, added it to the frame, and it was done. Now, I did want to level it up, and because I do love that lantern look, I brought in a flickering tea light candle and set it behind it, giving the most romantic, lovely look. I cannot wait to set this up in my bedroom. All right, my friends, our DIYs are done. I would love to hear what was your favorite project. I have to admit, I think mine was the tree, but I loved all of them, and I'm so excited to take all of these little pieces and put them all over my home. Now, if you want to see everything put together, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my upcoming Valentine's Day Decorate With Me episode. I'm actually very excited to get this one done because Valentine's Day was one of my first videos that I ever made for you, and this Valentine's Day will mark my 4-year anniversary here on YouTube. So make sure to hit that button down below, and I will see you next time, my friends. Have a magical day.